Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Happy New Year's Eve to you all. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of the journey, another New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's Eve. Those of you who are new right on over here, special welcome. Happy New Year's Eve. Now, if you are on the Jamaican Debbie Debs train, which is my second channel, Jamaican Debbie Debs, that's the name of it, you would have known that I have a video to do using the white sorrel. This is a white sorrel, Jamaican white sorrel. Somebody tell me, say, may I take the sorrel and I talk about a Jamaican and a Jamaican sorrel, because Jamaican sorrel go all over the West Indies. And some about the hello. I am very sorry. This is Jamaican sorrel. A Jamaica I grow and I bought it here. So I'm sorry for you. It is Jamaican sorrel. I've known it over the years. I wanted us to do this video for you from last year, but I did not get the sorrel. I saw it, so I bought it. I've never done it. They say it's even more stronger than the red one. We are going to attempt to make this sorrel juice here now. Now, this is just a pound or 0.5 of a kilo, because a kilo something here, it not work for me, you know. What I want you all to do, red, white, pink, yellow, or blue, there is something that we call proportion. How much sorrel to how much water. Because let me tell you something, whether pink, blue, yellow, green, or orange sorrel, if you go about and put too much water to too less of a sorrel, you are going to end up with a workless taste into the sorrel. So I'm going to try my best right here. This is like, according to them, me know this is supposed to be quart, but I like what container look like it's short. From top to bottom it looks short. The regular old time quart them, I would have more than this. And they're saying this is a liter, and a liter is a little bit more than a quart. But what I want you to do is to look into this pot. I have some water in here. Let me get the flame down. And it's boiling. You know, if you put the sorrel in a cold water, the water must be boiling, okay? So I have 3 liters of water, 3 of this. 3 of this I am putting down in there for the 1 pound of sorrel. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my little something on, you know, I always use, I have my cinnamon leaf. And if where you are, you cannot get the cinnamon leaf, you use a little cinnamon powder. I will tell you how much teaspoon in there if you can't get the cinnamon leaf. But make sure the powder is properly dissolved, and I put there a piece of dried orange peel in there. Now I have a little workless looking pimento seed. Me run out of pimento seed, but me I go stack up back today. So make sure your pimento seed not getting workless, okay? You know that's what we started with. Now on the boiling water, I've washed my sorrel. Me tell you if you wash no things them, because them the all about angle them. This is what it looks like. And nobody got time. But like Debbie, a young sorrel actually in a ripe yet. Don't bother come with that. Don't bother come with that, okay? Don't bother come with that. So you're going to put in your sorrel now. You look at 1 pound of sorrel. And if you notice one little red one, because they sell them together, you know. I had to ask the lady to pick out some of the white ones for me. So now you have it down in there. You're going to cover it. You want to turn your flame off. Remember, say you don't put in your ginger yet, you know. So what you can do, you can either grate your ginger, or you can also crush your ginger. This, I have to get your kitchen scale, which I'm going to do in the near future. You're not going to need no more than like this a ginger in it. It's just 1 pound, as long as the ginger is good. If it's a big workless one, then you'd have to use about 2 times this, because for them eat, it's not so strong. You can crush it, snap it, brush it, or you can grate it. So I'm going to grate this one and show you. I'm going to start grate it. You can just grate it over your sorrel just like this. When you grate it, it's stronger, you know. But you can also smash it. So I'm going to finish grate it off and return. Okay, now family, in previous videos you saw me smash the ginger. You can also grate it. Now that you have grated it, you want to make sure say you stir it up. This is what you have down in here. 3 liters of water to 1 pound of sorrel. But if you notice, it is coming like with a little color. We're gonna leave it just like how we do. Yeah, shoot them up, camera girl. We're gonna leave it right there to steep for another 5 hours the least. Normally I leave mine overnight. From me little, from me yard and me Niagara country, I saw me see my mother do sorrel. She not do her sorrel unless it's overnight. She always do it in the evenings. I don't know if I dopey them, I play up in night, make it taste better hour. But when you do it and it's left overnight, you get that nice taste. Okay? Because you can't do the sorrel and left it for an hour or two, and when you come now, you put the warm sorrel. When the sorrel is still warm, it's not properly done. You have to steep it and let it be properly cool. You can't do the sorrel and then when you come here take ice for cool down the sorrel and sweeten it and water out the sorrel. So the best way is to let it steep overnight, which when you come in the morning it will be properly cooled. Do not attempt to sweeten your sorrel unless the sorrel is properly cool. You're not going to get the right taste. So I'm not sure if 5 hours time it will be properly cool, but even if it's not properly cool, you will understand what I'm saying. So after 5 hours, we will return to look at this sorrel. For the first time I go to white sorrel, I'm not sure for you. You can comment and then we're gonna see. But now, when we come, we will see the color we get, because me sure saying already the wine can go in at this. White rum can, but you'll have to use another type of rum, like probably a Johnny Walker, maybe red or white, or you'll have to use Appleton, some kind of rum. You cannot use or some kind of wine that is sort of sparkling. Now red label can't go in at this because it won't be red. So I'm going to leave it for 5 hours, and when we return, we don't see how it go, because look here. So we are going to ring in the new year, you know, with that drink, a white sorrel, Jamaican style. See you. Okay, now family, you see me in a different clothes, but it has been about 6 hours. Still slightly warm. This is the color of the liquid. And I wasn't looking for any redness in there in the box. Somebody did say to me that when you do it, it has a little red color. Some years ago, somebody said when you do it, it has a little red color, not as strong. But I never really believed them. Now this is the remains. Like when you would do a regular sorrel, this is what it looks like. This is the remain. So let's try to see if we can sweeten this thing. So, but the first thing I want to do, I want to pour it into something that you all can see. What is that? Not gonna pour all, because I'm gonna gig it up with some alcohol. I know camera girl wants some, so I have to leave back some for her. She want to taste it. So this is the color, and you can see a sorrel fit through, because when you pour the other sorrel, you know you have the froth. You remember that? So look here. I'm going to put in some, probably you could have used G sugar, but I'm going to use my dark sugar, because this thing take a lot of sugar, you know. Yeah? I'm going to put in, like you know, would I put in the regular whites. I have to make it look good, you know. So I'm going to put in about that in it, yeah? Not sure if we're going to get the right taste. I'm still going to put in some of the Appleton. Not a lot, because you know I want bad piece of boy, this is the Appleton. Oh yeah, yeah. So we are treat the white one. We can't put the red label wine, you know. So I am going now to dissolve the sugar, because let me tell you something. This sorrel has some really peculiar things about it. I'm not sure if when you're sweetening your sorrel, you realize how it sucks in the sugar. You've got to be quite aware what you're doing before you put a bag of sugar in it, you know. If you don't know what you're doing with sugar, you put more than a pound of sugar in this, and it still don't taste sweet. So I forgot go check out that sorrel something. It has some farmer something about it. Well, I don't know. I know it's really good, but it takes a whole lot of sugar, so you have to know what you do. Me soon come. Okay, now family, I've done the onions just like what I do with the other ones. The red one, so to speak, not ones. So I just used something in the alcohol form, but you know we use it. But if you don't want the alcohol, you can just add lime or lemon juice and your little sweetener, whatever you choose, just as we do with the others. So Me just use my regular. I'm just using it as I told you. We are sharing it together. I've never done it. If you have done it, please comment and tell us how it was. Tell us if I saw it look and how it did taste. Now, we put in the little white boy there. And we put in some of the next bad boy there. So look here. I'm trying to dissolve. I like the little color. I like it. What do you think? Comment. Comment. I like the look like a real little New Year's liquor color. You know? So what I'm going to do now, I want to taste a little of this thing here. Because we're sharing this, you know. It's the very first. That's how we are ring out. So we are like on the new year, you know. We are run with it up with them with this. I'm going to taste now. It has that syrupy conform like the red one. That's the syrupy thing. Yes. Remember, you know. It's Sorrel. It tastes real good. You have got to give the alcohol time in it, you know. I think it tastes good. I'm not sure. I thought I would have gotten a clearer color, but it tastes good anyway. Let us try. I'm here, you know. So one for you and one for me. Let's pour. This is the natural color that it has. Remember, it needs some time to come to that you can have the right taste. But I fully figure run over, you know. I like the color. What do you think? Please comment. Camera girl, what do you think? It's a pretty color. Pretty color. We're so cool. Okay, now family, we're back. I gave the alcohol probably about a minute or two to settle in there because I want to get the right taste. I want to share with you the taste that I'm getting to the best of my ability. So, from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your 18 and over stomach. If you're not 18 and over, you can't have this because it's I put alcohol. It's cheers. Please do enjoy. No, that's yours. That's for you all. Let our phone know. This is mine, okay? That's for you all. When we say let our phone know, patwa. That's for you all. Please do enjoy. Once more, cheers. Aye, like we drink a liquor juice here. It's good, but I would say it tastes a little milder for just to me than the red one. It tastes a little milder, yes, and it has the same taste even though you don't use the apple because you know I have the cinnamon and I have all of my other little spices in there. It's a little milder to me. Now it's not cold. It's not cold as yet because some people that serve this with ice. I would not serve this with ice because I'm not going to get the strength. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video, and as I said before, if you have done it, tell me how did you do it? Did you get this color? What was the taste like? But for me, I think when it cool it good, but I still have to take another so. Cheers once more. Now if you have liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. If you like how we are bang out the 2018 with a white Sorrel drink here, thumbs up the video. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Right, we're almost at 40,000. Help us as early as possible to get to the 50,000. Remember, if you're 18 and under, if you're under 18, you're not to drink it. And even if you're 18 and over, if you're gonna drink, if you're gonna drive, don't drink none. And if you drink any, please don't drive. Okay? We have to insist that. Okay? So remember to like, as I said before, share up the videos them, and make sure you're subscribed. Make sure 2019 now ring in the next few hours and you're not subscribed. Hit the bell. When you do hit the bell, leave your comments below. If you want to be a part of a shout out crew, that's all you gotta do. Now today's post notification shout out goes to Ali Mellis. Ali Mellis, I hope that the new year brings all that you're looking for a wife to be happy and to be healthy, my brother. I hope to God that happens. We are ringing in the new year with the love and with the faith that everything happens, okay? Now drink none of this and not your wife in none, okay? Put some lime in it for her. Now, like, share, subscribe once more. How many times can I say that? Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much. Okay? Debbie from Donga Yard, bless, no stress. Now our New Year's message video will be coming up, and I think it will be done by Camera Girl, so please look out for that. And also how we're gonna go forward in the 2019 with the videos. Mind you, will still be in depth. We're not take away nothing. We'll be more adding than taking away. And tell me in the comment section of this video, what was your favorite video for 2018? What was the video you enjoyed the most? What was the video you gained the most experience from? And other than something there. Remember to like, share, subscribe again. And I'm leaving you with another sip. I'm a Jamaican white sorrel. Bless, no stress.